Good evening to all respected teachers. I am standing here for presentation which is made by me, and my topic is Indus Valley Civilization, and my content is introduction, extent and food. Third topic is food, agriculture and language, and fourth topic is trade and commerce, and fifth topic is town planning and dragging system, and sixth one is administration, and seventh one is art and architecture, and eighth one is conclusion. Now I will start from the introduction, and my Indus Valley Civilization is an ancient civilization. It means that in the Indian civilization we can see that most of the northern part of the India is included in the Indus Valley Civilization, and the period of Indus Valley Civilization is a Bronze Age, and it means that and it also refers from the Harappan civilization, and it's also refers from the Harappan civilization, and this civilization is discovered by the 1921, and in this civilization in this civilization we have seen that most of the elements of copper are present there, and the duration of this civilization is 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE, and now my next topic is extent, and how many, we know that there is a large area from taken by the Indus Valley Civilization, and we can see that the extent of the Indus Valley Civilization is 1500 kilometers, and it may in the north, just like we take a question of how many cities are gone from the Indus Valley Civilization. Just we are talking about the area which is gone from the India, and the state is Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab. Most of the parts of the Punjab are gone from the Indus Valley Civilization, and as well as Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir these are the states of India as gone from the Indus Valley Civilization. And now from the other content, the Balochistan and Pakistan, these two countries are also involved in the Indus Valley Civilization, and in this civilization the population of the civilization is 1 to 5 millions. Now these map are the Indus Valley Civilization. We can see that Delhi is here. Now most of the parts of northern plain of the India are gone from the Indus Valley Civilization, and this mark, triangle mark, is a cities of Indus Valley Civilization, and we can see that Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Harappan, and these are the cities of Indus Valley Civilization. And now I will go for another topic, and my next topic is agriculture, food and language. It means that which types of foods are eaten, and which types of language that he was used, and now I will explain very shortly. Just like in Indus Valley Civilization, the farmers are grown on the wheat and grain, and most of the peoples of the Indus Valley Civilization are using the domestic animals for milk and flesh meats, and just like also flesh fish, and bread and porridge were the parts of the everybody diets. These two are the parts of the these two are the foods who everyone can eat, and the mostly eaten by the Indus Valley civilization is fish and uh, and veg, which just like meat. And also there are four types of language are present in the Indus Valley civilization. First one is Harappan language, cuneiform, and Sumerian and Akkadian. And these are the language. These four are the language: Akkadian language, cuneiform language, Sumerian language, and Harappan language. These four are the language that is used in the Indus Valley civilization, and we can see that these two foods are eaten by the civilization peoples. Now, my next topic is trade and commerce. Trade and commerce. There are three types of trades. First one is agriculture trade, second one article trade, and foreign trades. Now, I will explain one by one. Agriculture trades. Agriculture trade means what? Where the peoples have go for the agriculture, and it's just like he grow a wheat and a grain, and he sold another people. These two men are sold and buy. These two are the trades of the agriculture trades. And now just like we can see that in this picture, I see that there is a salt. There is a salt. The people have go for the sea and and salt has filtered, and then he was trade to the another people. And now second topic is article trades. In this trades, the civilization people have gone from the many muds, just like we can see that pots, mud pots. These are the pots who also in ancient times the civilization peoples are using. And in pot there is so many types of design ornaments are made. Just like we can see that these are the ornaments which is made by the civilization people. And third one is foreign trades. Foreign trades means what? Which the civilization people have moved towards another country, and it in for what? Just like in the civilization we can see that copper minerals are the those materials who have found in the civilization, and these minerals was sold by the another country. These types of in this way the foreign trades are continue. Now my next topic is town planning. Town planning is a unique feature of Indus Valley civilization, because we can in this civilization there is so many types of high and low, upper rise and lower buildings are there. There in this civilization, the planning of the peoples is highly civilized and also developed mind. When we have made any shelter and any homes, we can in this civilization the peoples are so developed to create any home and shelter. And dragging system is this is the dragging system. In this way, in this figure, there is a dip of there is a water on them. Then the waste water that is removed from this, and in this way the waste water has removed out, and this types of process is continued by the dragging system. Now this is the short video of town planning. Sorry, sir.
Town planning. The Indus Valley people built their cities with proper planning and according to a set pattern.
These two are the classification of town planning. Just like we can see that in upper age, the mostly kings, just like we can see that kings are made the upper house and for safety, and this the lower town have made by the peoples who have survived in the civilization. Now my next topic is administration. In administration, just like in present time, we can see the government. In that times also a government, just like in that time the government of the Indus Valley civilization is a monarchy. Just like we can see we can told about the just like king, one king, one queen, and these are the leaders of the civilization. And the monarchy is the monarchy government is usually given by the figure of hereditary figures. And just like we also say that king, just like king has said by the peoples, king has said by the peoples who have under the civilization, and the ruled government through trades, religion, interest, and military strength. In the government, monarchy government, the kings have control over the trades, military strength, and almost all the things which is come from the government. Now my next topic is art and architecture. First one is this is the figure of architecture which the peoples have made, and the art and architecture of the Indus Valley civilization is the actually structure of the entire civilization. And in this means the civilization, this civilization where the peoples who made the art and architecture, just like artist has made the murti instrument which is so in this just like any instrument which is made by the architecture, this is the way to how to express our view for made the pictures and create the any instrument, and to build from the hospitals to home to a school, and where the setup in the grid like pattern. And in this civilization people mind was so developed, and in this way the peoples of civilization has to made hospitals, a school. Hospitals, it means what, where the peoples have go for his treatment, and now for home where the peoples have lived, and to a school for where the children have go for the study. And these are the patterns of the Indus Valley civilization. The structure of the showing where all the crops would be on the Indus River, marked of technology, invention of the next level. In this civilization, the crop are used, crop are grown by the farmers, but the Indus rivers are so important for the Indus Valley civilization, because Indus river are the sources of Indus people, because when the Indus rivers are gone from the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, in this way these are the cultivated land, and in the nearest of river the peoples have go for the farming, and river water are so important for the peoples. And now conclusion from my side is I will study on the Indus Valley civilization is when I was studying on the Indus Valley civilization, I also understand the how the creation of Indus Valley peoples was so different from the present people, because in that times there is no any instruments or for the any help, because they have made any instrument which is he has create so many things from ancient, and now we can see now we can also read about the ancient history of Indus Valley civilization. The peoples those those instrument which is developed by our scientist is already just like we can see that there is so many pots and pots just like copper plates, sorry sir, copper plates. These are the way of to introduce himself by the Indus Valley peoples. That's also from my side.
Okay, don't give. Just listen my questions. You tell me some practices of religious practices of Harappan civilization.
Okay, sir. In the Harappan civilization, there is a religions between the in the civilization. There is so many religions are there, but in these religions, it's only one worship, that is I will see the image of I was seeing the image of one singer, that is the animals. This is the so important animals in the Indus Valley civilization, and all the peoples are worship.
For your information, there was a mother goddess.
Okay.
And
Yes, sir.
Pasupati.
Yes, sir.
Both are treated as a god.
Yes.
In their era. Okay. Second question: is there any evidence of window in Indus Valley civilization? Window?
Cricket.
Yes.
Sir, from the shelter.
Yes. From any parts of the civilization. Is there any evidence of getting window in the civilization?
So in the civilization, there's I study on so many times, but I knew that there's no any
Yes, you are correct. There is no
No
actually
any-
windows.
no any
Actually.
windows.
Okay, you tell me some cities which developed on the coastal plains that come under your Harappan civilization.
We can see that Punjab. Punjab.
Punjab is not situated on the coastal plains. For
Coastal-
coastal plains, you need ocean or seas bodies. So,
Okay.
is there any cities or towns which are situated on the near to the sea areas?
Near to the sea area, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, I think, sir, one or two states are developed, and not so all the states are developed from the.
Tell me about the names of that cities.
Sir, just like we can see Afghanistan.
Lothal area,
Sorry, sir, Lothal.
where we got the evidence of Dokia.